Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit with R3 in Fortnite. First, you need to understand that R3, or the right stick click, is a powerful bind for quick edits. By assigning your edit action to R3, you can keep your thumb on the stick for continuous movement and aiming. This allows for seamless transitions between building, editing, and combat, giving you a significant advantage in fast-paced engagements. To truly master R3 editing, optimizing your in-game settings is crucial. Navigate to your controller options and set your edit hold time to the absolute minimum, which is 0.100 seconds. This ensures your edits are nearly instant. Additionally, enabling Confirm Edit on release can drastically improve your editing speed, allowing you to execute complex sequences with greater fluidity and precision. Consistent practice is key to becoming proficient with R3 editing. Start with dedicated edit courses in creative mode to develop muscle memory. Focus on single-tile edits, such as walls, floors, and cones, until they feel natural. Gradually introduce double and triple edits into your drills, ensuring smooth transitions between each action. Aim for accuracy and speed, building up your confidence with every session. Once you're comfortable with the basics, elevate your R3 editing with advanced strategies. Integrate your edits seamlessly with movement, allowing for dynamic pushes and evasive maneuvers. Practice pre-editing structures to gain an advantage in offensive situations, catching opponents off guard. Furthermore, mastering quick edit resets is vital for defensive plays, enabling you to instantly repair structures and maintain control during intense engagements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.